Oh, ah. Well, hello, my friends. I hope you're doing well. I hope you have peace in your world. I'm doing pretty good. Things are getting a little more back to normal around here. My kiddo is doing better, so yeah, very happy about that. Kind of a scare. Um, well, I got a letter from uh, two letters. A love letter from my um, medical insurance saying that they're not going to cover my stay in the hospital. Um, However, I'll work it out. And another letter from the hospital saying I have a fractured hip. Actually, it was a letter saying that there was an abnormality in the imaging. And when I talked to the head nurse, um, he said that I have a fractured hip, that I need to be very, very, very careful. Apparently, when I came down, I landed on my left hip. Yeah, so most guys my age, um, they don't even walk. And I am so fortunate. I'm not saying I'm Superman or anything. I'm just saying I'm fortunate. I'm grateful. Um, yeah. What is this stuff here? What is this stuff? Is this from my shaver? My gosh. Nah, heck with it. I just took a shower this morning and this darn thing right here. So, yeah. So I want to check in with you guys and, yeah. So try to have a beautiful day. We're going to have challenges in our world. So be strong. Be strong. Really strong. And knock them challenges into next week. What is that? No. So let me show you what I'm doing in here. Oh, I believe in portable power stations, okay? This is a portable power station. It is running this portable air conditioning unit. Here's a smaller one. And so if the electricity goes off, I am going to be just fine. Yeah. What is that? I got to pull that nose hair out. That tickles. Tickles. Oh, I got to do my Jabba the Hutt impression. I love that guy. When I weighed about 335 pounds, it kind of did resemble Jabba the Hutt. All right. So once I fix the motorcycle, or either put the e-bike together, which is going to happen soon, I might just go down to the river. I haven't been to the river lately, so probably going to be tomorrow. So whatever is going on in your world, peace, have peace. So see you later, alligator.